Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie, and I'd like to give you a little more information about our pattern Ditty Bags 2.0. This pattern includes instructions for making handy zippered bags in 3 sizes. The majority of each bag is assembled while it is flat, making construction extra easy. Then a zipper is attached to the body to form a loop, and the sides are attached to finish the bag. The Ditty Bags 2.0 pattern recommends 3 fabrics for each bag. A main fabric, which is used for the exterior of the bag body and sides, a lining fabric used for the interior of those pieces, and a coordinating fabric used for the border, handles, zipper pull, and bindings. Of course, if you prefer to mix things up, add more fabrics, or even use just one fabric, you can certainly do that. Just know that you'll need to come up with your own cutting layouts, and you may need different amounts of fabric than what is called for on the supply list. The bags use just small amounts of fabric and supplies, so are perfect for using fabrics from your stash or leftovers from other projects. For this set of bags, we used quilted fabric left from another project, alternating the fabric so that the main fabric is the exterior on the small and large bags, and the lining fabric is the exterior on the medium. We alternated those same fabrics as the coordinate on each bag. Directional fabrics will work fine for this project, and the pattern includes tips for their use. The body of each bag is made using quilted fabric, which you'll create by quilting the main and lining fabrics with Soft and Stable. The pieces are really small, so perfect for practicing your machine quilting skills. If you need more information about quilting, please check out our free patterns Peacekeeper and Easy Does It. You'll find lots of tips for quilting in the add-on videos for those projects. The Ditty Bags 2.0 pattern includes step-by-step instructions to make these professionally finished bags in 3 convenient sizes, and is an update of our original Ditty Bags pattern, which was first released in 2012. In addition to greatly improving the illustrations, we've updated the instructions to make assembly easier and included instructions for working with directional fabrics. We put handles on both ends and changed the border to a diagonal border, adding the option of embellishing the border with decorative ribbon. You will love this new version. We also filmed an add-on video to help you with the more unique or challenging aspects of the pattern. You'll find bullets in the pattern indicating steps that are covered. You will find a full list of supplies on the back cover of the Ditty Bags 2.0 pattern. If you don't yet have the pattern, you can also find the list on the Ditty Bags 2.0 product page at ByAnnie.com. Just click on the Supply List tab. Ditty Bags 2.0 would make a great afternoon or evening project for confident beginners to more advanced makers. The design of the bag is very straightforward, and most of the assembly is done on a flat piece. The project involves basic skills used in many ByAnnie patterns, and to help ensure success, we've filmed an add-on video for Ditty Bags 2.0. It will help you conceptualize the project and take you through the more challenging or unique parts of the pattern. You are sure to enjoy making these versatile bags for yourself or others. We can't wait to see what you make and how you use them, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. Be sure to enter our monthly photo contest too. Thanks so much for watching. Happy stitching!